Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you a very simple, flavorful and aromatic chicken recipe which you are going to love it. Here I have added around 2 tablespoons of ghee in a cooking pot. When ghee heats up nicely, then add few whole spices, add around 750 grams of chicken and saute it for few minutes on a medium flame until chicken changes its color. Then add around 1 tablespoon ginger garlic chili paste, stir it for few seconds. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt as per taste. Saute it nicely until the raw smells of it will goes away. Now add half cup of curd, give it a nice stir. Then add 1 cup of crushed fried onion. Stir it nicely, close its lid and let it cook on low to medium flame until chicken is done. Meanwhile, in a mixer jar, take 12 to 15 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, make a fine paste of it and add into it. Add water if needed, then add some coriander leaves. And at the end, add nutmeg mace powder, just add 2 pinch of this powder. Add kevra water or kevra essence to it, cover it and let it cook for few more minutes. And when you see oil on the top of it, off goes the flame. Here this mouth-watering chicken recipe is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment below. And if you find my video is interesting and my channel is interesting, please give a like to my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.